I have NOKIA 7.1, let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the settings right here. Afterwards, you need to scroll down to choose here security and location. Select here the fingerprint and tap setup screen lock method. So before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some pattern, pin or password. So basically the backup screen lock method. Let me use pattern. So let's draw my pattern, tap next, and let's do it again just for confirmation. Now you have to choose the form of notifications. You can show all notification content, you can hide the sensitive one, or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content, tap done. You have to confirm it by your new pattern. Now you can tap add fingerprint. So you can read the instructions and tap continue. Now you can tap start, and all you have to do is simply find your sensor, and you have to tap it a couple of times. So this is the sensor. Let's just start tapping the sensor just to save the whole fingerprint. Alright, so the fingerprint is added in my case. So now all I need to do is simply tap done. And now you can simply press power key to lock your device, and all you need to do to unlock it is use your pattern, or you may also accomplish that by using your fingerprint. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.